Hello guys, it's me Adrian again, and in today's video I will make a special. Someone earlier on Reddit was asking for help, and I quickly found an answer, and I just promised I will explain that technique. It's a W wing in detail in a video, and I will do that. And I will start with the snip of that post. First of all, I'm using Sudoku Coach, the site. I go to play, import text or image. Okay, paste from selector, have already the snip. Okay, importing and start playing. It's a vicious Sudoku, so it's a difficult one. And what I've done, I checked all the notes. I looked for patterns. Usually I'm checking for X, Y, Z wings, like in this case, 153, 53, 13. But for this one, 153, 13, 15, depending on the techniques. But I couldn't see anything. I noticed we have a lot of pairs. And what did I do? I started to check if I have W wings. To have W wings, you need to have two pairs. For example, you choose this 1-3 with this 1-3, or with this, or whichever you choose. They don't need to be in the same block, line, or column. They have to be something like this, or this 1-3 with this 1-3. Okay, so what did I see? Usually the technique cell colors. So I chose, in that example, I chose this 1-3 with this 1-3. Yes, I will color them. So this 1-3, I'll make it green. This one, I'll make it green. Why did I choose this? Because, as you can see, this is the same pair, yeah, 1-3, 1-3. These pairs, they have to be connected with a strong link. That can be on a single digit or on two digits. The digits that take part of that strong link must be the digits that are contained in these pairs. So we have 1 and 3. We need to find the strong link that connects them with 1 or 3. And I found this because this one sees directly being on a line on the same row with this pair, and this one connects with this pair again on the same row. And this is a strong link because on this column we have only 2 ones. That's the simple logic. Link and arrows. Let me see if I can draw something. No, I don't know how to draw arrows. Yeah, I can say that one. No, I don't know how to draw. Anyway, forget link and arrows. Guess you understand. I can do whatever. So no. Cell candidates, cell color. Okay, I will make this blue and this blue. So the green cells are connected with a strong link, okay, in the ones. and we can eliminate. So they are connected by ones. We have to eliminate the other component of the pairs that is connected through the strong link. So the other component, the other candidate, it's a 3. The other candidate that sees both of these pairs. So we have a 3 in here. Yeah, that can be how to candidate colors. So that 3 can be eliminated because it can see both of the ends of the W wing. So the long story short, a W wing is composed by 2 pairs that are connected with a strong link. You can eliminate the candidate, one of the 2 candidates of the strong of the pairs, but not the one that is in the strong link. It must be the other one. So these pairs have 1 and 3. They are connected with 1, so we can eliminate the 3 that can see both of the cells. So we can eliminate this 3. Let me check. No, 3. So if we eliminate that 3, now we are left with only 1 3 here, and the puzzle is solved. I already did it on my phone. As you can see from one simple technique. That's it. It was a beautiful puzzle. I hope you understand me better. I'm not a native English speaker. I'm Romanian, living in Ireland. So yeah, hopefully you were able to solve that puzzle on your phone. Okay, so that's it. Thank you and have a Merry Christmas, everyone. Bye-bye.